everyone, it's Epic Algar here and welcome back to my channel. Happy Wednesday everyone, and today we are going to be doing some life hacks for remembering things that you can't always remember, because I know that every one of you guys out there has either forgotten something in the past that you should have remembered or just has trouble remembering stuff, because sometimes I forget a lot of things too, and that can sometimes be a problem. Also, because school is going to be finishing up in the next couple of months, I'm so excited because then summer videos are going to start and then we're going to have our 1-year anniversary. That is what we are going to be doing in this video. But before we get started, make sure that you hit the subscribe button down below to join the hashtag EpicAlFam, and also give it a big thumbs up. And now let's get on into the video. Let's go! We are going to start off with the simplest life hacks, and this one is just using a whiteboard to plan out your month. Like I did here, I put all of the dates that are important and all the important things that I need to do or remember for April. I think that this looks really cute and you can use it anywhere, like on your desk, in your room, or even at school if you bring a mini one. The next one is a DIY that I found unintentionally. Basically what I did was I used a sock, I folded it over a few times, then I stuffed it with rice and hot glued some fake plants into it. And this is really helpful if you need an eraser because the sock acts as a perfect eraser. I didn't even realize this until making this video. I know this is another super simple one, but this one is also very helpful. So one, you can make your own chalkboard by using some chalkboard paint or just buy a pre-made one. I actually got this cute owl one as a gift and I'm just using some chalk on it, but not just any chalk. I showed you guys how to make this super cool glow in the dark chalk in a past video, so make sure that you go and check that out. And also, I'll show you guys another way that I decorated this for the holidays in another video from hashtag 25 days of DIY. So go and check those both out in the description. We are still on the basics because this one is just using sticky notes. These are so simple but so effective, and if you stick them where you can remember, like on your computer or next to your bed, then you'll definitely not forget them. You could even try sticking them to your forehead, which might not work that well. But this is so easy and it works very well. Now we're getting on to the more interesting stuff. This one is to write on your hand because I've done this so many times and I've never forgotten anything. This can be bad for your skin though, so make sure that you're only doing it when it's really necessary. But you can also add some cute doodles like this and you'll be sure to look down at your hands at some point in the day. I love this hack too. Did you guys know that mirrors can also be used as whiteboards? Just grab a whiteboard marker and then you can just write whatever you want, and you'll see it every morning when you're either brushing your teeth or doing your hair, because this is a great life hack if you want to remember some things or just recite them in your head. And these do work, but the ceiling is really dark so you can't exactly see it here. But this is a great hack. For this DIY, I'm going to show you guys how to make your own calendar that's super easy and also very simple that you can make tons of. First, what I'm going to start off by doing is just grab a piece of paper, and I'm making mine 3-hole punched in case I want to put mine in my binder. And I'm going to use a straight edge and I'm going to draw 6 lines across the paper so that there are 7 columns in total, because these will just be all of our days of the week. And you can make this however you want, but this is a little bit hard to see because I'm doing this sideways, but I am going to write April on the top because that is the month that I am in. And then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to make some little grass, some decoration on this. Next, I am going to just do some little designs, but then what I'm going to do is I'm going to write down all the days of the week starting on Sunday, then going all the way to Saturday across on all of the columns. And next, if you want to add lines in between for all of the days, you can, but I just decided to go for this quote open concept calendar, but just not having any lines in between, plus I have more space to write. And then I'm just going to number, and April actually has 30 days, and I had to look that up, but April has 30 days and it starts on a Sunday. Then I am just going to open up all of my important dates for the month, and you can decorate this however you want, but this is our basic calendar. You guys can do whatever you want on this calendar, and I even added a note section on the bottom in the corner because I had a lot of space left over. And I hope you guys like this super simple calendar idea. These last few life hacks are actually ones for your phone, but they're super cool. What you're going to need is a clear phone case and a background, or you don't have to use one, but I'm using this cool scribble one that I made. Next, I'm just going to take a sticky note and write down my reminder. And then, as shown here, I just wrapped it around my background just like this and folded over the edges. And then you could just put your phone in it. This next DIY is to make your clear phone case a whiteboard. This is so cool, and I have actually never done this before this, but this is the best hack ever. What you're going to need is just some clear masking tape or packaging tape. No, it's called packaging tape, and then you're just going to stick it over your clear phone case. You can also use any phone case you want, but I think that the clear one looks awesome, and you can write on it with a whiteboard or dry erase marker. This is awesome! Yes, I saved the most obvious one for last, but it is one of the best life hacks I've found, is just using the Reminders app. And if you have a Samsung or Google, there's probably still a Reminders app. But this is absolutely the best way to remind yourself. But we still have all these other creative ways. And that's it for this video, you guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. I had so much fun making it for you guys. And also, if you did like it, then make sure that you go down and give it a big thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. Also, subscribe down below to join the #EpicOwlFam, and also go and check out my other videos. I upload every single Wednesday, so I see you guys next week. Bye!